Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your avatar on Instagram and have it show instead of your profile picture. Open up your Instagram application and then click on the profile tab. From there you want to click on the three bars that represent the settings for your account. After that you want to click on edit profile. You can see the edit picture or avatar in blue, so click on it. And then from here you need to press on create avatar. It will now take you through the process on how you can customize your avatar and select all the settings necessary for it. So go ahead and customize your avatar as you wish and then click on done and save settings. Once your avatar is updated, press on OK. And then after that you want to edit your profile again and then click on the avatar itself. So now you can choose between it and your profile picture as you wish. And now you'll notice if you swap over your profile picture, it will instead show the avatar and vice versa. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.